The California Science Center, located in Los Angeles, is a premier destination for science enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Boasting an array of interactive exhibits and educational programs, the center offers visitors a hands-on exploration of various scientific disciplines, from biology to astronomy. One of the most iconic attractions at the California Science Center is the Space Shuttle Endeavour. This historic spacecraft, which flew 25 missions into space, including trips to the International Space Station, now resides at the center as a testament to human ingenuity and exploration. Visitors can marvel at the sheer size and complexity of the shuttle up close, gaining insight into the groundbreaking technology that propelled it beyond Earth's atmosphere. Through captivating displays and multimedia presentations, visitors can delve into the fascinating history of space exploration, learning about the incredible achievements of astronauts and the scientific discoveries made possible by space missions. Whether you're an aspiring astronaut or simply intrigued by the wonders of the universe, the California Science Center and its iconic Space Shuttle Endeavour offer an inspiring journey through the cosmos. Indulge in the fascinating world of science as you immerse yourself in this captivating video showcasing the wonders of the California Science Center.